Thanks, Kyle. And while we all love the summertime, it can be difficult to enjoy because of those pesky mosquitoes. How do you enjoy the outdoors safely for you and your family? That's the question this morning. And Katie Jensen, Wellness Education Specialist, joins us live this morning from Gundersen Health System. Good morning, Katie. Good to see you again.
Good morning, Carly. How are you? Thanks for having me.
Of course, I am good. Thank you for asking. So the mosquitoes are bothersome, but are mosquito repellents safe?
Absolutely. So according to the CDC, when we are utilizing Environmental Protection Agency, that's those EPA registered repellents, when they are used as directed, they are going to be probably your best line of defense against mosquitoes and any of those other pesky insects like biting flies and what have you. Some recommendations, I guess, for that: definitely don't spray the repellent. If you're going to use it on your face, don't spray it directly onto your face. And making sure that you are utilizing sunscreen as well. Make sure that you apply your sunscreen first and then apply those mosquito repellents.
Definitely, and sometimes that sticky, smelly repellent can almost be as bad as those itchy mosquito bites. So for those who maybe don't want to use repellent, are there any other options?
Sure, so there are a couple options. Unfortunately, there's not one single thing that's going to work for everybody. You may go to a bonfire and you have your one friend that recommends using one thing and another friend that recommends something else. Some different options that might be available to you. There is a plant-based option from the Environmental Protection Agency, things that are the oil of lemon eucalyptus. That is going to be a good plant-based alternative to regular mosquito repellents. Making sure too that you're wearing long sleeves, long pants, closed-toed shoes, tucking pants into socks, things like that. Just making sure that any skin that's exposed is actually covered. And then also maybe wearing light-colored clothing. They think that mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors and black-colored clothing too.
Really interesting. I did not know that last clothing fact, so good to keep that in mind. And there's always that one person that seems to attract the most mosquitoes, and it could be just that person randomly, but are some more prone to mosquito bites than others?
So that one's kind of an interesting question, because really there is not one, like I said before, there's not one thing that is fits all. And so research is still ongoing with that. They may think that it may be based on the amount of carbon dioxide we emit. It could be that we release more of that in exercise. It could just be our skin chemistry, certain compounds in our sweat. And it also, like I said too, might be what colors you're wearing. So it's really hard to say. And really, mosquitoes will bite wherever they can. So especially keeping sensitive areas like around your head or even your feet and ankles covered will help to cut down some of those bites.
Well, this is all great information and hopefully some good reminders for people. We're kind of in the thick of summer.